Hey guys, my name is Masud. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to give you a before and after as promised. In the video, I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a breakdown about some of the costs that are involved. So initially, the purchase price of the property was $70,000. The broker fee that helped me to finance the purchase was about £500. The solicitor fee that I had to use to actually complete the purchase came up to about £1,000. I got a little bit of a discount as I used the Help to Buy ISA. If you didn't know, the Help to Buy ISA is a savings account that you can actually use, and the government will pay a contribution towards the legal fees of your first property. It's actually been stopped now, so I don't know if you can get it, but it was a really good incentive and I did use that. I took advantage and they gave me a bit of a discount, so the solicitor fee ended up being about £800. So not that much of a difference, but generally it did help towards the overall costs. The next thing that I actually had to pay for was the building survey. So the building survey is actually a survey done by a professional surveyor, and they actually just go through the property and they go through all of the rooms in the property, all of the exterior, the interior, the outside. They look at the electrics, literally every single thing in the building, and they give you an idea of whether it needs to be repaired or not. Personally, I didn't have any experience of actually refurbishing houses. So this survey that was completed actually gave me it was very, very informative, and I think it helped me a lot in terms of actually thinking about what I wanted to do in the house and how I wanted to sort of go about doing it and how much it would cost. As well as that, I had to pay for buildings insurance, so that cost me about £15–20. Buildings insurance is actually a legal requirement to have on your property, the total refurbishment for all of the things that were completed in the house came up to about 10k. So I'll give you a little bit of a list of all the things that I actually did in the house, and then I'll actually go on to some of the pictures to show you the before and after. So works that were completed in the house, from the top of my mind, were a new flooring or new lounge new flooring in the lounge diner area, so downstairs. That was laminate flooring, new carpets upstairs and in both of the rooms, a new kitchen, a new bathroom, or shower room should I say, as I took out the bath and I put a shower unit in there. I created a little bit of space by relocating the boiler from the second bedroom down to the kitchen. That was a pretty big job, and it did cost about £600–700 as it was a boiler, and we had to find an exterior wall to actually attach it downstairs in the kitchen. So the next thing that we actually did was we reskimmed and repainted the whole house as well. We put in a new fuse box for the electrics. We ripped out all of the weeds from the yards, put new decking in the yard as it was rotten previously. We also included electrical certificates for the house and a gas safety certificate, as well as new fire alarms, new skirting boards, new doors throughout the house, and new handles as well. Also, the sockets were chrome. I don't know if you watched my previous video, but I made a very I think that was very important, because those are the things that people generally touch and feel the aesthetic of the house, and that's what is going to attract people when they actually come to view it, whether you're letting the property out or you're actually just trying to sell it. So those were the main things that I actually did. I think if you look at the pictures, you'll see a big difference. So I'm going to leave you to the pictures. I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you in terms of giving you an insight about the costs of the works that were completed, and I'm pretty sure if you put your mind to it, you guys can do the same thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and have a look at the pictures, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.